Join my mom and I on an Easter brunch cruise aboard the Sapphire Princess. The Sapphire Princess is a luxury party yacht that departs from Freeport, Long Island. And it has 2 levels. The downstairs level is where the dining area is, and upstairs they have a bar as well as a dance floor. They started off by bringing around some appetizers, and I pre-ordered a bottle of champagne for my mom and I, and it got her seal of approval. It was definitely delicious. Then they had a buffet lunch with so many dining options. We both were totally stuffed. However, then they also had dessert as well. They had this donut wall, and the donuts were so good. And they brought around cake too, which made us even more full. In terms of the boat, you could either sit inside and just observe the view outside, or you could go outside and take some photos too. Most people stayed inside. I did go out a few times and it was quite windy, which made it hard to grab photos. But overall, the weather was perfect. The Easter Bunny made an appearance. We had a fabulous time. I'd so recommend this.